we're doing. So luckily I'm in my friend's Jeep. He's going to be driving me about today. We're going to go for breakfast. I actually went there the other day and it was fantastic. So I thought what we'll do is take you along and have a go. Fantastic, beautiful Arabic breakfast. Alright, and here we are. This is the place. Look at that beautiful little courtyard in there. We're going to grab ourselves some breakfast. Okay, so here we are. This place has got an incredibly simple name. It's called Food at Home. We're here for breakfast. They open in the evening as well and do kebabs and different stuff with rice and stews and stuff. But yeah, breakfast here is amazing, and it really is. Just a lovely little courtyard. You can eat inside as well. They have a like, sort of live station here in the evening. We've just got this nice, all these old seats. These seats are called busters. A buster seat is these benches, sort of traditional seats. Really good, but the main reason we're here is for the food, and really it is truly amazing. All right, carrot tea. I've got a load of sugar in there. It needs to be nice and sweet, and it's basically a milky tea but quite strong, as you can see, like a black tea, and it's infused or flavored with things like cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaf. I mean, there's loads and loads of ways of doing it, but clove and cardamom are definitely always in it. So yeah, it's called karak tea in this region, or masala tea in India. Cheers, darlings. Okay, so Arabic breakfast. Now, I'm a Brit, as you know. I'm from London, nice born London boy. So the full Monty English breakfast is the best breakfast in the world, isn't it? It isn't, I'm afraid. I think this is. I think what we're about to have is better. It's fantastic. I love it. Loads of different bits and pieces. I'm going to order, and then yeah, we'll take a look at it. But unfortunately, you won't be eating it. I will be. So I've just ordered quite a lot, actually. Some dal and some eggs, some beans and some chicken liver. It's going to come with some amazing bread. Now, when I was in Bahrain before, we went to Haji Cafe, which is a really fantastic place in town, right near the souk. That was fabulous. There's loads of these places around, but I think Haji Cafe is pretty good, and this one is really good. So yeah, these are my two recommendations if you're ever in the Kingdom of Bahrain. Cheers. Brace yourself, everyone. Shakshuka, lovely. That's eggs. Full is beans, fava beans.
Chicken liver.
Chicken liver, that's fantastic.
Lentil.
Wow.
Falafel.
Fantastic there. Let's get some inside. So some falafel there. This is a dipping sauce for the potato. That's a potato aloo thing.
Some fish bread.
That looks good, doesn't it?
Dalal. Dalal.
Put that there.
Menu.
Okay, this is the balalit, which is noodles with egg. I'll talk to you about that in a minute. Okay, so this one here is balalit. Now balalit is, it's got an omelette on there, and then there's noodles in here with cardamom and sugar. And I ordered it to show it to you, but I'm not going to eat it because I think it's disgusting. It's just a really strange thing to me, the combo, but some people love it. I think Jody, who's with me here now, the cameraman, might eat that, but for me, no thanks. Sweet cardamom noodles, egg, not so great. Okay, so we've got some falafel here, which is really nice little dipping sauce there. These are a potato, like a fried potato, aloo. Got some lovely little spices in there. Let's have a taste. Oh man, that's great. So a mashed potato, some beautiful spices in there. This is shakshuka, which is a scrambled egg with onions and some cumin and stuff like that. Now you may see it sometimes not scrambled, but the sauce with the eggs cracked on the top and then steamed or poached. But yeah, this is very common here, shakshuka like that. This is very famous in the region. full. Full is fava beans, which are just cooked down with some different spices. It depends which house that you go to. But yeah, that stuff is really, really good. And here, another thing that I love, chicken liver. This is super. I mean, some people don't like liver and kind of offal or kind of intestine type stuff, but I truly love that. By the way, you may have noticed that we've switched places because it's getting a bit sunny over there. So I've switched over here, you can now see my beauty. Wow! Okay, so we've done all the other stuff there. Now let's just look at our dal. So, nice lentil dal. Not super, super spicy in a kind of Indian way, but spicy enough. The bread, it's all about the bread. Fantastic homemade bread, just in there now. Soft but crispy. I mean, the places that make this are all over the shop. They're everywhere throughout Bahrain. In fact, the whole region. Fantastic bread. And then here we've got, these are the same thing. This one's got cheese on it and this hasn't. And what's on there is like a fish. It's an anchovy paste. Not to everyone's taste again, but I just really, really love that. I think that's originally Iranian. Anyway, let's get tucked in. So I'm joined at the table with Jody. Jody lives in Bahrain. He's been living here for many, many years. And you may remember Jody from Dubai, because we met up in Dubai and he's done all the camera work there with me. So yeah, hello Jody. Right, let's get tucked in. So I'm gonna go, let's go mate, do it. I'm gonna go with some eggs, some shakshuka. The beans or the full. One of my favourites, the chicken liver, which I've really started to get into. I love this one. I've got a nice little kitten, a little ginger kitten has just arrived. Want some food, mate? Bit of dal. Oh yeah. And then we can just grab some bread. Hi, how you doing? You're tiny, aren't you? And then in we go. Oh well, this is all good, all good. So I'm a fan of everything here, apart from the balalit, which I said is the noodles with the egg on it. I just don't, I don't like the cardamom in it really. So yeah, but Jody, that's all for you there, isn't it?
Thank you for that.
I'm thinking the only thing I can give you here. Do you like balalit? You've got loads of that.
What's this one?
It's full, like it's beans. Look, maybe look, do you want some chicken liver? You might eat that. I don't think you'll eat the dal or anything, will you, mate? God, you love it. That cat is loving that, blimey. Let's see if we can get a shot of him in a minute. It's a tiny little thing. Do you need more tea, mate?
Oh, I will have some tea. That's really nice tea.
Where's your cup?
Oh, over here.
You lost it.
There you go. That is really nice. Do you know, I could drink that more than coffee, I think.
Well, you should start drinking it because it's super easy to make. I think I'm done. In fact, I think I was done about 3 minutes ago, but I just kept going. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. I'm taking most of this home. Oh man, really good. Yeah, it's probably the best breakfast I've ever had. I mean, in Sri Lanka I had an amazing breakfast. I love the Sri Lankan breakfast. And of course I love the English breakfast, but this is, I mean, this is something else. It's a complete feast. Well, that's it for me, I think. We're done, we've ate our food, we've fed the cat. And yeah, I'll be doing another little blog, whatever thing that it's called, very, very soon. See you later, gonna have another cup of tea. Cheers.
What are your recommendations?
Out of this lot,
Yeah.
I think that the liver is a winner. The eggs are great. I like these. I really like these. These kind of potato, mashed potato with a kind of spicing. I mean, I love all of it. The only thing I don't like, I told you, is that balalit. I just don't like the flavour of it, or the combination of the flavours. But I mean, everything else is a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Well, breakfast dinner. Does that make sense? Alright, so we're finished, and they've just given me the afternoon evening menu. It actually starts at 12 o'clock, which is now. And I've had a little look through, and I'm amazed to find that most of the food is actually Iranian. And I don't know a lot about Iranian food at all. So I'm definitely going to come back here, because they've got some stuff like, you know, juja kebab, sultani kebab, just some beautiful stuff, and some lovely sort of stews and stuff like that. Baj, yeah, it's just... And then they've also got in there, you know, mashbush and all that, which is a local dish. And tachin, which is like a baked, it's like a rice and chicken or prawn dish. It's like an upside down cake. They've got some fantastic stuff here. They've got some lovely sort of pilau rices. Yeah, it looks good to me. Sabzi, which again is a really famous Iranian stuff. Really, really good. So I'll be back for lunch. We're going to be back here again soon. We'll see you later. I'm going to be popping around doing a load more sort of stuff and letting you know what's what. I'm starting to get quite hot now, to be honest. Whew. Lots of love.